Geobyte.
Welcome to the Geobyte. This is our first video about Navodaya entrance test examination. First of all, this is for parents. Dear parents, in our India, one of the best schools, Navodaya Vidyalayas. Best education there. For that purpose, they are conducting two entrance examination tests for 6th standard entrance and entry for 9th standard. Our Geobyte launches the complete material, complete information about the entrance examination tests, 6th standard as well as 9th standard. This is for 6th standard. And remember one point, our Geobyte giving the complete material, complete concepts about the entrance examination test. It will help to your children's education, children's knowledge. Our methodology, easily your children can understand the language and understand the points also easily. You remember one more point. In our India, till now we have 661 Vidyalayas. And from the academic year, from the next academic year, some more schools added. Recently, our central budget announced. Next, we are giving complete information about the entrance examination test. We are going to start the guidance and giving conceptual information about entrance examination for your kids. Okay, please encourage us. Now, for your kids, dear little friends, are you looking for Navodaya entrance examination test? Yes, we are giving the concepts, shortcuts, information about the examination. First of all, what is the syllabus for Navodaya entrance test for class 6th? Look at type of test, number of questions, and how many marks. What is the duration? What is the type of test first of all? Mental ability, arithmetic test, language test. In mental ability, how many questions we have? 40. How many marks? 50 marks. Time? 60 minutes. 1 hour. Arithmetic test, number of questions 20, marks 25, time 30 minutes. Language test, number of questions 20, marks 25, time 30 minutes. Total how many questions we have? 80. Total marks 100. Total time 2 hours. Here observe kids. Total questions 80, marks 100. Each one 1.25. Each question carrying 1.25 marks. And total time 2 hours. Total time 2 hours. So how many minutes? 1 hour 60 minutes, 2 hours 120 minutes. Number of questions 80, time 120 minutes. So each question carrying 1.5 minute they given. Okay. You listen our concepts, our shortcuts. Within the 1 minute, easily you can write the answers. That type I will help you. Okay, now children. Now, what are the mental ability concepts? What are the arithmetic test concepts? What are the language concepts? Look at mental ability concepts. Odd man out, similarity, incomplete figures, analogy, cutting figures, mirror images, paper folding or punching, shape after adding or combined, spotting out the embedded figures included or hidden figures. Total how many topics we have, children? Total 9 topics. But how many questions mental ability? 40 questions. So each topic, each concept, minimum 4 questions, maximum 5 questions. 4 to 5 questions. Compare with marks, 5 to 6 marks. Total 9 topics, easily you can understand the concepts. Next, for mathematics, number system, LCM and HCF, fractions, profit and loss, simple interest. Number system, LCM and HCF, fractions, percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, geometry, averages, compound quantities, perimeter, area, volume, completely one topic. Temperature. Here how many topics? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 topics. Total how many questions from the mathematics? Total 20 questions. Total 20 questions. Each concept having 2 questions in that examination. Next, language test, English. Meanings, antonyms, synonyms, comprehension passages. From the English, how many? From the language test, how many questions we have? Total 20 questions. Remember, parents and children also, we have total 661 Navodaya Vidyalayas right now. At least 75% of seats in district. In the particular district, at least 75% of seats filled by candidates selected from the rural areas. And remaining seats are filled by the urban areas of the particular district. You can take any district also, 75% seats filled by the rural and remaining 25% seats filled by the urban. Okay, now parents and kids, this is actually introduction video about the 6th standard entrance test. All the best for your children education. Don't skip the video. Coming easily multiplications, shortcuts, squares we are giving. Dear children, first class for shortcuts. In mathematics, in arithmetic, in mental ability, we need minimum 20 squares, at least 10 cubes. For that, any double digit number of square shortcut here. Okay, any double digit number square. First of all, unit digit having 5. Unit digit having 5, then what is the square? 15 square. Here, what is the unit digit? 5. What is the 10 digit? 1. Shortcut to observe right side. 15 square. First 5 square, directly value 25. In a 10 digit 1 is there, we have to take next number. So 1 into 2, 225. Completed answer. Okay, look at 5 square 25. So what is the 10 digit? 1. So 1 next number 2. 1 into 2, 225. In the same way 25. 5 square first 25. 2 next 3. 2 3s 625. Got it all of you? Okay. Next 35 square. Here observe 35 square. 5 square 25. 3 next 4. 3 fourths 1225. Here observe 5 square 25. 3 next 4. 3 fourths 1225. Okay, got it? 45 square. First 5 square 25. 4 next 5. 4 5s 25. 20 25. How is the shortcut? 55 square. 5 square 25. 5 next 6. 5 6 are 30. Okay na? 85 square. 5 square 25. 8 next 9 72. Okay. 95 square. 5 square 25. 9 next 10. 9 tens 90 25. Suppose your doubt. Suppose here unit digit having only 5. Suppose there is no unit digit 5, then what we do? Then we have another shortcut. Any double digit number, including 5 or without 5, any double digit number square formula. AB whole square. A square, 2AB, B square. This is actually what is the formula? A plus B whole square. What is the formula? A square, 2AB, B square. But to plus symbols don't write. Okay, na? And for our conveniency, okay, for the result, formula read as right to left, not a left to right, like this. Look at. This is the formula you can remember. First B square, next 2AB, next A square. Okay, observe. B square, 2AB, A square. Okay, next. Suppose a small example 34 square. Okay, so first to B square. So B square means 4 square. 4 square value 16. Look at right side. 4 square value 16. So 6 is, first you write the 6. Here this one is carry. Look at 6. What is the carry now? 1. Observe. Carry 1. Next 2AB in the formula. Next 2AB. So 2AB means 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 into 4, 24. Here previously carry 1 is there, no? So that one added. 24 plus 1, 25. Now 5, right? Now carry, what is the carry? 2 is the carry. Next, A square. A square, what is the A value here? 3. What is the A value? 3. 3 square, 9. 9 plus 2 carry, 11. 9 plus 2, 11. So answer 1156. Got it? Okay, little bit practice compulsory here. Next. But in our mathematics, in our mental ability, we need up to 20 squares enough. That's why one more shortcut. 10 to 19, any number of square. Any number, 10 to 19, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, any number of square. Okay. any number square. Then look at first 12 square. This 12 written as observe first right side, observe 12 plus 2. Okay, now so 2 square value here, 2 square 4. This 12 plus 2 added, so answer 144. 144. Look at 12 plus 2, that 12 written as 12 plus 2. First 2 square. Next step, this 12 plus 2 added. So answer 144, completed. Next 17 square, one more example. First 17, how to write? 17 plus 7. 7 square 49. Look at the box. 7 square 49. So first you write 9. Next to carry 4. Carries 4. Next directly addition. 17 plus 7. 24. This 24 carry 4. 28. Right. 289 answer. Completed. Okay. One or two example you try. Next 20 to 29 square. Okay, na? First 24 square. 24 how to write, we know already. How to write 24? Here, look at 24 plus 4. First 4 square 16, 1 carry. Okay, so 24 plus 4, 28. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 multiplication with 2, because here 10 digit is 2. Here 10 digit is 2 means we take 2 times. Suppose 10 digit is 3, we take 3 times of the result, because 10 digit is 2 now. So multiplication with 2. 56. Here 1 carry. So 57. 576. Okay. Look at. First 24 plus 4. First 4 square value 16. So 6, right? 1 carry. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 double. Here 10th digit is 2. So multiplication by the 2. 28 double. 56. 56 plus that one. 57. 576 answer. My dear children, next shortcut. 91 to 109 squares. 90 from 91 to 109 number to squares shortcut. Very small shortcut, just 30 seconds. Okay. 91 to 109. What is the middle number? 100. You remember the point first. First I will explain small example. Suppose 95 square. First 5 square, unit digit having 5. So we have a shortcut. 5 square 25. 9 next to 10. 90 into 10. 90. Already we know this shortcut. Okay. And next, by using this method, 91 to 109 square. First of all, you write the 95. Okay, na? 91 to 109, what is the middle number? 100. So, always compare with the 100. So, this 95 is a more or less compared with the 100? Less. How much less? 5 less. That's why that 5 subtract. So 95 minus 5, 90. I want last 2 digits always. I want 2 digits always. So 5 square, so this difference 5 square value 25. Completed. One more example. 96 square. First of all, you write 96. This 96 is compare with 100. Compare with 100, how much more or less? So 4 less. Write the 4. Okay. That 4 you subtract because it is less. 92. I want last 2 digits. So difference, what is the difference? 4. So 4 square 16. Got it? One more example. 97 square. First of all, you write 97. How much more or less? 3 less. So 3. Subtract 94. I want last 2 digits. So 3 square value 9. But I want 2 digits. That's why that 9 written as 0 and 9. This is our logic. Okay, na? Little bit practice. Okay. Now observe. 96 square. 96. Compare with 100, how much more or less? 4 less. So 4 subtract 92. Difference 4. Compare with 100, difference is 4. That 4 square. That 4 square. 16. Okay. One more example. 93 square. 93. Compare with 100. How much more or less? 7 less. Subtract. 93 minus 7, 86. 7 square. I want 2 digits, you remember always. 7 square value 49. Next. 106 square. First of all, write 106. This 106 compare with 100, more or less? More. How much more? 6 more. 6. So this is more, that's why addition. So 112. I want last 2 digits. After this step, I want last 2 digits. So 6 square 36. Got it, all of you? Okay, now students, what she said. Hi friends, I hope everybody is getting. Any doubts? Raise. Immediately, our GeoByte team will respond to you. Thank you.
GeoByte.